In this video, I'll show you how to make cover letter in Phone. First, open the Canva app on your phone. Tap the search bar. Type cover letter. Tap Search. Browse the available cover letter templates. Choose a template you like. Replace the sample text with your own information. Enter your full name and contact details. Add the employer's name and company if you know them. Write a short introduction. Explain why you are applying for the job. Highlight your skills and experience. Write a professional closing paragraph. Review your cover letter for any spelling or grammar mistakes. Tap Share in the top right corner. Tap Download. Choose PDF Standard as the file type. Tap Download. Wait for Canva to save the PDF file. That's it. This is how you can make a cover letter on your phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.